Welcome to Dasco.
Hello, my name is Josie. I'm the graphics lead at Dasco Label, and I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop to prepare a logo or image for printing on the EBS-260, and I'll also show you how to upload it. The first thing you'll want to do is drag and drop your logo into Adobe Photoshop. If your logo is showing that checkerboard background in the back, you'll want to create a new layer, drag that behind the logo, and then use the paint bucket to fill that with white. The next thing you'll want to do is go to Image, Image Size, and change the image height to 32 pixels. In order to upload this to the printer, your images must be 32 pixels high. Next thing you'll do, under Resample, select Nearest Neighbor Hard Edges. That will give you a nice crisp edge on that that's easy to read. Then you can zoom in, and then you will select under Edit, Convert to Profile, and you'll change that profile to black and white. Now this is important because essentially any pixel with color in your logo will then be converted to a solid black, which is really important when it comes to communicating to the EBS. And then finally, you will click File, Save As, title that whatever you want to, save it wherever you want to, wherever you'll remember, and you'll want to save this file as a PNG, and large with interlacing is just fine. And now you're all set to upload. Now go ahead and open up the in-browser editor window. Ours is connected via IP address. Open up a new project, title that whatever you would like. Click Create Project when you're finished. Go ahead and save. Click on that little image icon on the left toolbar and then click in the editable area to bring up this window. Hit Browse, hit Install New Image, hit Browse again, and now you will find your image on the desktop or wherever you saved it. Hit Install Selected Image, and then you can exit out of this top window here. Now you might not see it pop up right away. You should see your image in there. So click on that Images folder, and then click on that top folder with the two ellipses, and now there's your image. Now you can title this image if you so choose. I'll just put in one really quick. And then you'll hit Save when you're finished with that. And now you can really easily move this around your print area. It's ready to go. So whenever you have it put in the position you'd like to print, go ahead and click that save icon, and now you're ready to print your logo on the EBS-260.
Thanks for watching. If you don't see what you need here, give us a call at Dasco. We're here to provide solutions that meet your needs. 800-927-7701 or contact us at dasco.com.